So sustainability is a really interesting point, right? Because I always think about this. There's a couple of things we need to think about sustainability. I think you need to think about sustainability from our customers' eyes, right? Some of the customers look at sustainability on, hey, what I'm doing, I want to do, and I want to leave the planet in a better place, right? That is one aspect of sustainability. And then there are certain aspects of sustainability where you have to look from a financial productivity perspective, right? Things are going to be cheaper if I do it in a sustainable way. And those are not necessarily mutually exclusive, but they are inclusive. So when we think about sustainability, the reason I wake up and come to work is I want to leave the planet in a better place. And I believe like analytical science allows us to do that. And so here we are certainly pushing the forefront of innovation on sustainability. And how are we making things better for the planet? Well, by making instruments smaller, by making them use less power, less packaging and shipping, right? These are things that impact not only the energy footprint, but the carbon footprint that we are leaving as well. And then helping with circularity. For example, Agilent has a program where we take back old instruments and we refurbish them, and so that we can put them back out so people can get to use those, right? So there is less wastage now on the analytical instruments. They are in the life cycle for longer. This is a circular economy now that is good for the planet. The other side is, you can actually have a lot of good business outcomes by thinking in a sustainable manner as well. For example, if you move to technologies that use less power, less gas, less energy, it's actually saving the lab cost as well. But not only that, it's probably also improving productivity, because with the newer instruments, you get better robustness, better repeatability. So your instruments are down for lower, so you're collecting more data per time that you can leverage as well. And so that is a pretty important thing for certain customers, right? So we don't have to look at sustainability as being, if we do this, it is going to come at a certain financial cost. In fact, you can think about improving the planet and reducing your cost and increasing productivity altogether. And I think that's where the conversation is going. That's where Agilent's been focusing on, to kind of try to get these instruments out so that we can get it out to more people. It can be safer and it can be more sustainable in terms of gas, power, water, carbon usage.